Yes, guys, see it there? See the tree there? Yeah. So, I hide this behind right there, so, make sure you put it down in here, so. That one, so, nobody can thief it. You see it? So, when I pick that, guys, I will show you. Yes, guys, so. I will pick them, ackee them. I don't know if you can see them, 4 of them. I go put some vegetable upon them. So, I go up, I go pick them right now, guys. See them? Yeah, so. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, we're gonna reach up in the tree and see the killer, man. That's the one, yeah. Pick that one, yeah. Drop it to the ground. Pick that next one, yeah. Drop it to the ground. So guys, 4 of them I will pick. 2 more that I pick, 3, 4. And guys, enough there in the tree, upon the wall me there. And the tree there in my yard, but I kill them hard to open. I don't know if I chew the 3rd time this is open, but they're hard to open. And by the way, the monkey are nice and fat, so I must say that's why them takes so long to open, because when I open it, hurt it, them fat and nice. So I'm reach down and show you guys. Yes, guys, you see them, huh? So them look fat. Yeah, them I'm just pick off of the tree, so I'm going to put them on the side of my food. So, yeah, but stay tuned for it, guys. You see it, look on them. Nice, okay. Just pick. And we have a pumpkin tree too, I'm so sure. Yes, guys, I have a banana come so. See it? And pumpkin right so. So one of them here come. I'm going to show you a bigger one, guys. The pumpkin tree is big enough, so I'm going to go out this to show you. One more upon it, I pick 2 already. But I'm going to show you one. So when I pick that one, then I'm going to show you when I pick it. Yes, guys, see it there? See the tree there? Yeah. So, I hide this behind right there, so, make sure you put it down in here, so. That one, so, nobody can thief it. You see it. So when me I pick that, guys, I'm show you. Yes, guys, see two of them I pick. Look from them. One here, the bigger one. See it? My production, guys. Look. Sorry, I'm never make it so and I'm pick it. The next one. One is a look round. Whatever you use one of them and the food today, so I will see all of that, you know, guys. So look on it. Yes. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Yes, guys. So some chicken food may I cook today. And they may not clean up it, so just to show you when I go cook. I'm gonna cook some pumpkin with Irish. Also, I keep on the side. So, guys, so we are going to see what I go on here. So, big up on yourself, guys. Don't forget, remember to please like, share, and subscribe. So, when you see what this chicken foot here, you see it pretty, look. Yes, guys, so I'm done. Beat them now. So, them look, cut out the foot down and beat them proper. So, you know, so I'm going to season them up now. Them season I'm going to use Irish, carrot, pepper, scallion and thyme, onion, ginger, and garlic. So you don't know the thing, guys. You see it. So by the time you see about this, you see me cut up them upon this and throw some jerk seeds upon it. I know the real pack this, you know, guys. Look, we just have some pack seasoning in it. I'll show you. See it? There's some pack seasoning in it, so I go put on this now and season them up so you'll see, guys. So stay tuned. Yes, guys, so I get the water out of this. And stir it this because we don't want it burn. So make it burn until it's ready. Then I'll show you the seasoning upon it. Not the seasoning, just I'll show you the water upon it. It's kind of steaming and good. Alright, so I'll leave this now. Should go and cook. show you the next update on it, guys. Just stay tuned. It's a reverse stream. Stay tuned for that to hear. Body day level 4. Big respect, guys. Yes, guys, the fire going wicked, watch it. And the bunny, guys, watch it. And then they come like hell. Chacha sees, Chacha knows. Butter one good. Rice. Sweet, yeah. So, from the show you things you know about 5 minutes. I would go 5 minutes. You know fire wicked depends on how your fire stay. See it, so then I come on. So, when you see them work, I done them and showing the season, you see? Just going to make them go and steam. Go and cook them some more, you see? So when you tell you the time then when you take to cook it, guys. Yeah. The pot look good. So guys, when you see it, but you see me showing the seasoning, okay? Yes guys, so throw a little bit more water from it. Yeah, you know, so this is a chicken cook. So put on to cook the fish. Show some more. Show some more. Yes, guys, so see it. I don't need to throw a little more water from it. Look. Yes, guys. I'm ready now. I'm just throwing my seasoning, sweetheart. Throw my make this cook down some more. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm throwing the seasoning. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys. So I'm throwing the seasoning now. See me? Throwing them now. Oh, that smells good, man. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Please, you should look at that smell of it. God, man. Anybody ain't supposed to awake. Guys, get a nose next time when you come watch a video, yeah? Put it on the camera, because it's a smelling now. Yes, guys, so chewing this one. Oh. You know, so when it's done cook now, you see them done cook and eat that. Wait, River Stream style, Jamaican style, Yardman style. What's the style, huh? Oh. Yes, guys, so welcome back, you know. Yeah. So the food done, you know. They can be done, you know. Right? Yes, guys, I will just eat a couple more minutes. And I will show you, man. You see it? So, stay tuned, guys, and we'll put on flour. Not too flour, you know, so Irish and turn calming and do it. So I turn look calming, you can see. And I boil some Irish different. Just now go 4 aki when I put on the side. So I'm going to stay tuned now and I will see now. But I move. Yes, guys, so see it and I'm done now. Yeah, done now. Very soft and nice.
Oh, we see it.
Look,
He's showing it.
see guys. Very soft and nice. Guys, I take off this now and put on the floor pot so you see them time there. So enough respect guys. Just remember to like, share and subscribe and remember guys. Yes guys, so this is a pot when we set down for the Irish and the pumpkin, but guess what I do? I put the boil the ackee them in the toe. So you know so by then they get soft, take them out and put in the Irish. So stay tuned guys. After that you see me turn the cornmeal. Yes guys. Guys, so I'm chewing the thing them now, so you know so when this and turn cornmeal guys. So I'm gonna show you when it cook. So stay tuned guys. Yes guys, I will check up on this you know. Oh, steamy. You know that so done anyway, and so I go through them look a bit. Yeah. Right then them soft guys. So I take them out I take out the pot and put on the ton cornmeal, you know, so you will see it. Yes guys, so just go for more minutes. Yes guys, so I done this done now. Done this done now. So yeah guys, so now about to change the plan and go on, you know. Now about to cook the ton cornmeal. Time there against us. Time I get late. So I promise if we get that now next video guys. Ton cornmeal. Would I do it with fish? So that's how I crush them Irish, the pumpkin, and the chicken foot. Yes guys, so stay tuned to the sharing guys. Go share and you will see a rock. So big up. Yes guys, I saw the food Yeah. Food this guys, look. See there? Chicken foot that well cooked proper. Pumpkin there, so it smell good too, you know guys. I want to smell it. And guys, we never cook up the ackee, you know, so I now have to cook up. You see it? Just boil it in a little salt water, make it have a little taste, and I hear that. You see the crushed Irish there guys. Irish when I boil, I just use a fork and crush it out. I present it same way food now guys. So we're eating food now and say taste. I couldn't know. Because I know I'm not telling a lie, you know. Can't taste my own food because if it not taste good, I will tell you. Yeah, me will tell you. All it not taste good. Yes guys, the Irish tastes nice already. You're supposed to know crushed Irish taste. Looking nice. Back in this I could cook in a season already guys. Take taste one of this. Yes, guys, soft and nice. You know, some people cook chicken food tough. You can't eat it so tough. It have soft. So make mine cook soft. So here, pumpkin, yeah. No, say pumpkin nice. Mm-mm.
So take out them one there.
Yeah, nice one.
Okay.
That's good.
Let me taste.
Pumpkin tastes like any top class pumpkin. Someone knows that pumpkin, they want good pumpkin tree, you know.
Yeah, me not tell you say color.
Mm-hmm.
Me not tell color inside, you know. A long time I just want pumpkin.
Yes, guys, so late, me go eat my food now, guys. It's late now. I don't want to make too much noise. So, guys, I'm going to do some more vibes here video. From what I've been doing be a night video that I can't talk loud. So, promise you, I'm going to do some more adventurous video. Because I'm going to go country, I'm going to go on the beach side. So, I'm going to see. So, guys, thanks for watching. Please to subscribe and share. And guys, I'm going to get 2 juice at the shop. I cancel the sorry too, so you'll see that in our next video, guys. River Stream TV, you know, big up to everybody. Blessed love and respect.